As the Lord God was creating the world, he called upon his archangels. The Lord asked the archangels to help him decide where to put the secret of life. Bury it in the ground. One angel replied, "Put it on the bottom of the sea." Said another, "Hide it in the mountains." Another suggested. The Lord replied, "If I say to do any of those, only a few will find the secret of life." The secret of life must be accessible to everyone. One angel replied, "I know. Put it in each man's heart. Nobody will sink to look there." "Yes," said the Lord, "within each man's heart." And so it was. The secret of life lies within all of us.